Hello and welcome to this course on writing for online media. In our course in journalistic writing, we already talked about different text types. There are news, features, and opinion writing. There are also different ways to compose texts. If you haven't studied the journalistic writing course already, we suggest to enroll in that one first before learning about writing for online media, as you need the basics taught there. Now, there are not only different kinds of journalistic copies in general, it also depends on the medium you're writing for. Online journalism isn't just print journalism brought to the screen. First, the internet offers technical possibilities that go beyond what print can do. Second, the reading habits of your online readers are quite different from those of print readers. There is no doubt that journalists are required to be able to write for online media. Cross-media skills are needed if you want to work as a professional journalist. Let me explain to you what we're going to cover in this course. Firstly, we will cover the basics of writing for the web. How do online readers read? You have to know how to be able to write for them properly. Secondly, we will look at the technical possibilities of the internet, namely multimedia elements in online journalism. What is possible and how should it be used? Thirdly, you will learn why and how to present data. Especially, we will cover visualization techniques. Fourthly, we will talk about participatory journalism. The great thing about online media is that this is the first time in journalism history when a real dialogue and a collaboration between journalists and readers are possible. Sure, in print newspapers there are readers' letters, but the concept of participatory journalism go much further. Then, you're going to learn how to build your audience. The great thing about online journalism is that you can establish your own online magazine or blog. But how do you get your readers? We're going to talk about this in detail. At the end of this course, you will appreciate why journalism is moving online, know tactics for creating successful online content, know tactics for promoting your online journalism, understand how readers approach online journalism. Understand the rationale behind multimedia journalism. Understand the rationale behind interactive journalism. Understand how to work effectively with citizen journalists. See you in the course.